What if I told you that inside your body right now, there's a built-in self-repair system, a biological cleaning crew, a metabolic reset button, and the only way to activate it is to stop eating? No expensive supplements, no extreme workouts, no complicated biohacks, just fasting. Every year during Ramadan, over 1 billion Muslims fast from dawn to sunset for 29 to 30 days. No food, no water, for nearly 14 to 16 hours daily. To some, it's purely spiritual. To others, it seems difficult, even extreme. But here's the real question. What does science say happens to your body when you fast for 30 days? Today, we're breaking down the biology, the neuroscience, the metabolic shifts, and the shocking cellular transformations that happen when you give your body a break from constant consumption. This isn't just about hunger. This is about transformation. The first 12 hours, the switch begins. When you eat, your body runs on glucose. That's its default fuel source. After your pre-dawn meal, your body starts using stored glycogen, sugar stored in your liver and muscles. For the first 8 to 12 hours, nothing dramatic seems to happen. But then, your glycogen stores begin to run out, and your body flips a powerful metabolic switch. Instead of burning sugar, it starts burning fat. This process is called metabolic switching, and it's the moment your body transitions from a storage mode to a fat-burning mode. This is where real change begins. Becoming a fat-burning machine. When your body shifts to fat for fuel, it produces molecules called ketones. Ketones are not just backup fuel, they are premium fuel. Many people report sharper focus and mental clarity while fasting, and ketones are a big reason why. During fasting, insulin levels drop, human growth hormone increases, fat oxidation rises, inflammation markers may decrease. Your body isn't shutting down, it's optimizing. Instead of constantly digesting, storing, and processing food, your system finally gets time to repair. And that's where the real magic happens. Autophagy, the Nobel Prize discovery. In 2016, Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for his work on a process called autophagy. Autophagy literally means self-eating, but don't let the name scare you. It's your body's recycling system. When you fast, your cells begin breaking down old, damaged components and recycling them into new, functional parts. Think of it like this. If your body is a city, autophagy is the cleanup crew demolishing broken buildings and rebuilding stronger ones. Why does this matter? Because damaged cells are linked to aging, cancer development, neurodegenerative diseases, and chronic inflammation. Fasting activates this cellular cleaning process, and when you repeat that process daily for 30 days, you're potentially giving your body a powerful regenerative advantage. Protecting your heart. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but studies on fasting, including fasting during Ramadan, have shown improvements in LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, triglyceride levels, blood pressure, and overall lipid profile. When insulin levels drop and fat metabolism improves, your cardiovascular system benefits. Fasting isn't just about losing weight, it may be about protecting your heart at a deeper level. Blood sugar sensitivity, insulin sensitivity. Modern life keeps us in a constant fed state. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, coffee, dinner, late-night snacks. Our insulin levels rarely get a break. Over time, however, this can lead to insulin resistance, the root cause of type 2 diabetes. But fasting changes that. When you stop eating, insulin levels decrease. Cells become more sensitive to insulin.
blood sugar stabilizes. Some research suggests that structured fasting can improve metabolic markers related to diabetes risk. Important note, individuals with diabetes should always consult a healthcare professional before fasting. But metabolically speaking, fasting can act like a reset button. Brain performance and mental clarity. Here's something surprising. Your brain may function better when you're not constantly eating. During fasting, ketones provide efficient brain fuel. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, may increase. Neural resilience improves. BDNF is often called fertilizer for the brain. It supports neuron growth and protects against degeneration. Some researchers suggest that fasting may even help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions over time. And that mental clarity many people report, it's biochemical.